Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students, welcome back to online tutorial of Open University. Welcome back again in this session 4. Today we are diving into the exciting world of what panel discussion is. I do believe that all of you has already understand what panel discussion is. We are often involved in a seminar. We are often involved in a workshop. A panel discussions is a type of discussions where a group of experts talks about a specific topic in front of the audiences. It's usually led by a moderator who helps guide the conversations by asking questions and encouraging each panelist to share their views. Why are the panel discussions important? The first, because in panel discussions, we are going to diverse many perspectives. The second, the engagement. When the experts share different opinion, the audiences can see the different sides of the topic. This will create a lively and engaging discussions. And the third, of course, learning opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, learning is a journey, and every new perspective will open the door of knowledge. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring. Let's keep growing together and keep up the great work. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.